Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove an object from your videos on Canva. So I'm just going to, you'll need to either save the video or take a screenshot. I'm just going to take a screenshot. Save the video as a photo. That's what I'm trying to say. And just paste that on top. Then on the photo, select edit, select magic eraser, and you can either click or use a brush to select objects. I think I'm just going to use the click one. Then I'm going to select erase. Just wait for it to load a little bit. I know it's not perfect, but you can go over it with a brush if there's a shadow here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. There we go. And then we're just going to basically cut that out of the frame so the other stuff moves a little bit. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.